In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new doc in Coda EO. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start from a blank canvas, jump in with a ready-made template, or bring in data you already have so you can get working right away. First, open your browser and head to coda.io/docs. This takes you to your Coda dashboard, which is the home base for all your docs. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in, and if you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where you want your new doc to live. On this page, you'll see your recent docs and folders, plus options to explore templates and tools. Now look for the plus new doc button. You'll typically find it in the upper right corner of the dashboard, though it can also appear within the workspace area if you're browsing there. Click it to start a fresh document. This action simply opens the creation flow. Nothing is published or shared yet, so feel free to click without worry. Next, choose your starting point. If you want complete control and a clean slate, select Start with a blank page. This is perfect if you have a specific structure in mind or you prefer to build as you think. You can add pages, tables, buttons, and automations later, so a blank doc is a flexible foundation when you're designing a system from scratch. If you'd rather begin with something pre-built, pick Use Template to browse the Coda gallery. Templates cover common needs like project trackers, meeting notes, product roadmaps, and personal planners. You can preview, read descriptions, and select the one that best matches your workflow. Starting from a template saves setup time and offers best practice layouts you can customize, rename sections, tweak tables, and remove pieces you don't need. Finally, if your information already lives elsewhere, choose Import. You can bring in data from a CSV file or other tools. For the smoothest import, make sure your CSV has a clear header row, consistent date and number formats, and no extra blank columns. After import, Coda automatically turns your data into a table you can sort, filter, and expand. If you notice columns that should be dates, numbers, or checkboxes, adjust their types to unlock more powerful views and calculations. That's all there is to it. Open your dashboard, click plus new doc, and choose to start blank, use a template, or import your data. Pick the option that matches your goal, and you'll be up and running in minutes.